Today I am reviewing the Acer Aspire Go 15 AI-ready laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Acer Aspire Go 15 AI-ready laptop is a compact yet powerful device designed to deliver seamless performance for everyday tasks, productivity, and entertainment. At the heart of this laptop is the Intel Core 3 processor N355 with 8 cores, paired with 8GB of DDR5 memory and fast 128GB UFS storage. This combination ensures smooth multitasking, fast app launches, and quick file access, letting you work, browse, or stream without lag or interruptions. Whether you're tackling spreadsheets, writing reports, or just enjoying web browsing, the performance remains responsive and consistent, making it ideal for students, professionals, and casual users alike. One of the standout features of the Acer Aspire Go 15 is the integration of Windows Copilot, a centralized AI assistant built into Windows 11. With a single touch of the Copilot key, you can access generative AI assistants across multiple applications, helping you complete tasks faster, summarize information, and manage projects more efficiently. Copilot acts as a personal AI companion, allowing you to achieve more in less time, whether you're working on documents, creating content, or collaborating online. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display is designed to deliver sharp, vibrant visuals, perfect for watching movies, streaming videos, or participating in video calls. With a narrow bezel design, the screen feels immersive, offering excellent viewing angles and detailed color reproduction. Acer's BlueLightShield technology reduces harmful blue light emissions, protecting your eyes during extended use and making it a more comfortable device for long study or work sessions. Connectivity and user convenience have also been prioritized with the Aspire Go 15. The laptop features dual USB Type-C ports that support both DisplayPort and fast charging, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, and an HDMI 2.1 port for connecting external displays. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 ensure fast, stable wireless connections, whether you're streaming content, attending online meetings, or transferring files. The device also includes a 720p HD camera enhanced with Acer's TNR technology for clearer video calls even in low-light conditions, along with Acer Purified Voice and AI noise reduction for crystal-clear audio during online meetings. Acer has designed this laptop with efficiency and sustainability in mind. The Aspire Go 15 uses recyclable packaging and a back cover made with 30% recycled plastic. It carries both ENERGY STAR certification and EPEAT Gold registration, making it an environmentally responsible choice. Additionally, Acer Sense allows for easy management of battery life, storage, and apps, while Acer TNR and Purified Voice improve the quality of video calls, enhancing your remote work or study experience. The laptop's compact design does not compromise on features or versatility. With its lightweight construction, it is easy to carry from home to office or school. The keyboard and touchpad are responsive, providing a comfortable typing experience, and the laptop battery life ensures that you can stay productive for hours without worrying about finding a power outlet. Whether you're streaming, browsing, creating content, or using AI tools like Copilot, the Acer Aspire Go 15 is ready to handle all efficiently. In conclusion, the Acer Aspire Go 15 AI-ready laptop offers an impressive blend of performance, portability, and intelligence. Its powerful Intel Core 3 processor, fast DDR5 memory, high-speed UFS storage, immersive Full HD display, and AI-driven features make it a great companion for students, professionals, and anyone looking for a versatile, everyday laptop. With thoughtful connectivity, sustainability features, and user-friendly design, this laptop strikes the perfect balance between productivity, entertainment, and responsible computing. It's a well-rounded device that meets the needs of modern users while delivering a reliable and enjoyable computing experience.